the rose leaf of the Kingdom of the West.
Another with illumination by Kisa.
She's doing them all.
Oh. Three cheers for the newest member of the Rose Leaf of the Kingdom of the West. Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! The traditions of the West have long included honors for those who displayed leadership in war, for those who served the king personally in battle. However, without supporters and followers, the quality of these leaders would count for nothing. Those who consistently advance the art of war in the West are recognized by being named Defenders of the West. Their Majesties would now call them. Raise your hand if you do not have this award.
From out of kingdom, there's a good chance.
So, Defenders of the West are more than just fighting on the field, because it takes more than combatants to make war happen. Any way that you have been serving, have been enriching our experience here, you too are a Defender of the West. So if you do not have that award, please come forward. I saw a couple hands. Come on.
Get up there.
All of them?
All of you.
Oh, everybody.
Me, actually.
You already have it. Can't get it twice.
That big one.
Oh, wow. Last year. Oh, did you like it? No, you got it your first year. Oh my God, you're
Please remain standing if you that is what comes.
Thank you.
And so that this can be recorded after court.
Oh no, we have this set up. Okay,
Okay.
So I'll do that.
Change of plans. Always trust your clerk. I learned that my very first day. Thank you so much. It takes an entire kingdom for us to all have fun.
Give me a handful of my pass it back, please.
You need more?
Not have a defender. Ronan.
Everybody have one?
So wear these torches proudly and continue to support our kingdom in times of peace as well as war.
For everybody that just walked up here, Ellie is at the coolers to take your name so I can have it properly recorded. Please go see her so I can file the report with everybody's names in it.
And if you did not get a torch, please remain.
Yes.
So that we can distribute them.
For the newest Defenders of the West, hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Your Majesty, I believe Oertha has some business.
You got something?
Add a few things, honestly.
Oh. Here pauses the court of Her Majesty of the West.
And here opens the court of Lucius, Prince of Oertha.
Yep. With the indulgence of Her Majesty and their Highnesses, I'd like to say that I truly appreciate everyone making this experience really magical. I've been in the SCA for 20 years and I've tried very hard to uphold the virtues and everything to becoming the best citizen I could. And upon winning the tournament in Oertha, it was one of those things that you pinnacly find that just opens up even more doors and finding more friends and experiences. And honestly, everyone standing in here, you may not realize it, but I know my experiences with you, and I can look at every single one of your faces and say that you've done something to make this important and wonderful to me. I can't give anything more than my thanks to some of you, but to some of you I can give something small.
From northern strongholds and manors, Oerthans travel to wars, pageants, and tourneys in more southern climates. Such journeys are supported and aided by those outside our principality who take in weary travelers and offer them succor. Their Highnesses recognize with gratitude the hospitality extended to their people by friends and strangers alike. I apologize about names. I'm not usually a herald. All right. Their Highness calls before them Medek, Arundel, Katarina, Megildo, Lucilla de Courtenay, Azza, Aline, Artemis of Hunton's Home, Anawin at Bon de Walter, Anthony Mac Familia, Gunnar, Delamber Valeris, and Abigail of Stiltonwall. Thank you. Any personal notes you'd like to say?
Yeah, I was going to say, as you all can see, they're all standing, so I can't talk to you from the chair. But these people have been gracious enough to take care of me, not only now that I'm reigning, but in times past, and they are near and dear to my heart. So with this, I want to make sure they understand how much they mean to me.
May I read the proclamation?
No, I'm good. I'll weep all over
Here
you.
do Lucius, Prince of Oertha, recognize the contributions of all of these fine people to the well-being of their people and their well-being of their people, and name them a member of the Oerthan Order of Hospitality, funded by their hands this 9th day of August, AS 58. Lucius, Prince. Your Highness, 3 cheers.
Please.
All right, for all of these wonderful people, the newest members of the Oerthan Order of Hospitality. Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah!
You have our leave to depart. There is one thing that happens in the West Kingdom that I have had the honor of having it bestowed upon me 4 times. So I am a Lord. And with that activity, it came from, you know, some magnificent people. Duke Oertha gave me my first AOA, and I remember it to this day. It's burned in my memory, and it made me strive that more to be the best citizen of the SCA and specifically of the West Kingdom. It's one of the first ones that is given out, and I always like to see when it's given its